Hey everyone, CPO here, and this is a video just showing two dash cameras side by side, a quick night drive, just to show the difference between the Nextbase IQ rear camera, which is a 2560 by 1440 camera, versus the VIOFO VS1 Mini, also a 2560 by 1440 camera. The Nextbase is $200. The VIOFO is $100, but they're not necessarily a one-for-one. The Nextbase is part of a three-camera system. I have the Nextbase IQ 4K, which has a front-facing camera, cabin camera, and then the additional add-on rear camera. The VIOFO I am considering as a replacement rear camera, even though it's a standalone camera. This VS1 Mini is actually smaller than the Nextbase rear camera, even though it's a standalone camera. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, so I could pull the high-resolution videos directly off of the camera using Wi-Fi. It also has a variety of parking mode features that I think are going to be super useful. The downside of it is it's not a cloud-connected camera, but I'm going to put a black view system in the front-facing and interior cabin-facing, which will be cloud-connected and which will give me all of my cloud benefits and values, such as notifications and alerting and the ability to pop in and do real-time live view. But the VIOFO will just be a third sort of standalone option that will be recording at all times, parking mode and driving mode. It's just I will pull data off of it whenever I need it. By the way, the VIOFO is in HDR mode. That's why it looks more washed out. So you get a more flat image, but in theory, it gives you a more clear picture. So it looks like it's very flat and bland, and that's by design with HDR. And I think you can see that with the blooming of the bright lights and how it's toned down a little bit on the VIOFO side. Now, sorry about the window is dirty, but I guess this is a real-world experience. But anyway, VIOFO's half the price as the Nextbase. Arguably, I think, is going to be a better option for me, especially because I'm going to ditch the Nextbase system altogether. But I wanted to share this for those of you who are curious. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.